Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS4 controller to PC for GTA. First, you need to download and install DS4 Windows, which is essential software for recognizing your controller. Make sure your computer's Bluetooth is on if you plan to play wirelessly. Initially, plug in your PS4 controller using a micro USB cable. This helps with the first-time setup and driver installation. Once DS4 Windows is running, open the application and head straight to the Profiles tab. Here, you will create a brand new profile specifically for your gaming experience. Give it a straightforward name, perhaps GTA V PC, to easily identify it later. This profile will allow you to adjust critical settings, including mapping your PS4 controller to behave like an Xbox 360 controller, which GTA typically recognizes seamlessly. Now, within your newly created profile, navigate to the Controls section. You'll generally find that the default Xbox 360 button layout is already applied, which works perfectly for most PC games, including GTA. However, if you have specific preferences, feel free to remap any buttons. For instance, you might adjust the touchpad functionality or change the assignments of the L3 and R3 sticks for unique in-game actions, giving you full control. With your profile ready, it's time to connect your controller. For a wired connection, simply keep the micro USB cable plugged in. If you prefer wireless freedom, disconnect the cable, then hold down both the PlayStation button and the Share button on your controller at the same time. The light bar will quickly flash, indicating it's in pairing mode. Now, go to your PC's Bluetooth settings and select the wireless controller option to pair it up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.